My name is BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. All right. Hi, my name is Jeff Johnson. This is BB Fuzz. We're going to help you learn the guitar using the Lightning Lead Guitar Book. I wrote the book, I'll be your teacher, and BB Fuzz is going to help along the way. In fact, BB, go ahead and give them a few words of wisdom before we get started. Cheeseburger! Really? Never mind. And that's not funny. We'll start with page 2. Check out all the fun stuff that you might find at bbfuzz.com. This is a diagram of the acoustic guitar. Look over the drawing and read all the names of the parts and pieces of the guitar. Not all guitars are the same, but your guitar should have most of these parts. You'll also see a guitar pick. If you don't have one, don't worry. We won't be using one right away. Once you've studied page 3, try to locate these same parts and pieces on your guitar. See if you can find any differences. When you're locating the parts and pieces on your guitar, be careful not to turn the tuning keys. We'll talk later about the tuners and learn how to use them. For now, let's look but not touch. Happy hunting! Let's review. Let's read page 2, then we'll move on and read page 3 and find all the parts and pieces of the guitar. Then if you have time, you can preview page 4 and 5. If you forget your assignment, just come right over and take a look. Don't forget to treat your guitar with kindness, and remember, we're not going to touch the tuning keys.